So this is iData back with another video. Well, it's been like 2 years, but um, yeah, I'm going to be teaching you in this video how to get 1 million Snapchat points or more if you want. And some proof of this, that this isn't some clickbait thing. Well, the thumbnail's pretty clickbait, but that this is my main account. Add that, I'll be adding everyone back. If I haven't added you back in like a day, then just Snapchat me and I'll add you back. It's Matt Walsh, 1.3 million. And also, if you want a cheeky spam to get some points, add my Instagram or follow my Instagram, matt.walsh, and I'll follow everyone back. Just like DM me or leave a comment or like my photos, whatever. I'll follow you back. And yeah, so this is how to get tons of flipping points on Snapchat. So what you need to do first is go on here, add friends, go on add by username, and you need to get the letter A. Just put in AAA. Right, I've already added all these, so you'd add that, and you put on another A, add that account, put on another A, you add that account as well, and keep doing it until you get to, I think that's the maximum. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah. Keep adding until you get that many A's, and you add all them accounts. I'll explain why in a second. And then you do the letter B. Put in three B's. B, 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 B. Add every time you add a letter, add that account. Add that. And you do letter C. Alright, so go through every letter to the letter Z, right? You might be like, nah, I can't be asked to all of them. Can't be asked to add all of them. So yeah, you'll just do like up to letter D or something. No, don't do that. Add all the way to letter Z. Like, it'll make what I'm about to show you so much easier. It'll take about 10 minutes to add all them accounts, maximum 10 minutes. But yeah, I'm going to show you what you do with them. So, all you need to do, take a Snapchat. I'll do one of my leg, because I got sexy legs, boy. And then yeah, right, I'll just draw like a willy or something. Haha, I'm so funny. Pointy one. And then you go down to letter A, and you select them all. And if you've added all of them, you get about, I would say 150 points per snap, maybe 200. I can't remember what it is, to be honest. But you select all of these. And another tip I would have for doing this is, while you're adding them, like go to the letter B, or even if you've already added them, just go on them. This maybe will take another 10 minutes, but it'll be so worth it. It'll save you the time in the long term. And you change the names to you just change them to a load of letter A's. So if you have all of these sort of accounts that you've added, if they all start with the letter A, then instead of having to scroll through all of them and select them, scroll all the way through your letters, all you have to do is go to the letter A, and all you do is have to select them ones, and it's a lot easier. So yeah, I'm not going to select them all because I'm just showing you what to do, and you just send that, and you just take another Snapchat, go down to, I haven't even added these ones, flipping it. I'll go down to letter D, and you do it on every letter, you get a load of points. And I would say, if you're doing this to get points, don't get over 20,000. No, I think it's don't get over 25,000 points in 24 hours, because I've done this a few times and I've been banned twice. You only get banned for like 48 hours, but it's still, you lose all your streaks, and it's pretty bad. So yeah, don't go too flipping, don't go too crazy. Like, all you need to do. See, I've sent about probably 5 Snapchats on this account. I got 600 points. And that's more than my Nan's Snapchat, flipping heck. And then, yeah, the most, a question I had on the last video is, what's the most points you got in a day? Right, this is not, I'm not joking. This is the day I got banned for the first time for 48 hours. I got 300,000 points in a day. Yeah, I'm not joking. 300,000, and then I was like, blimey, mate. Snapchat was like, blimey, mate, and they just banned me. So I settled down for a bit, and then I got, I think it was 70,000 a day in one day because I was just bored, and then I got banned again. Yeah. So another tip I'd have for you is to add my Snapchat. I'm adding everyone back. If I don't add you back within like a day, then send me a Snapchat and be like, "Oi, why haven't you added me back?" And I'll add you back. So yeah. Um, if you want to get, like, feel free to spam me or whatever. You don't really need to add this account. Just add my main account, Matt Walsh, and subscribe. Like the video. It helps. I need to get the ad revenue money, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video in about 2 years. Boing.